In this video, I'll demonstrate how to create a new automation. Automations are a set of rules that fire after a condition is met. Automations are used to alert people and external systems to events that occur inside the system. To create an automation, navigate to the Administration page and select Automations. Click Create Automation and then select Create Session Event Automation. First, I'll name the automation. I will create an automation that sends a chat message when a guest connects to a support session. Next, I'll define an event filter and an action. An automation follows the if-then model, the if being the session event, the then being the action. To add an event filter, either type in the box or click the plus button. You can enter multiple conditions to add more detail to the filter. For a complete list of available properties, click the Show Reference link. Next, add an action. There are 3 actions to choose from. You can send an email, perform a web request, or add a session event. I will add a session event. For the event type, I'll select Queued Message. For the host name, I'll put Automated Message so the guest knows it's an automated chat. In the data box, I will input my message. Then I'll click Save. Now, when a guest joins a support session, an automated chat message will be sent to the guest. To see some automation examples and to learn more, be sure to visit our documentation linked below. Thanks for watching.